So today I'm going to be replacing the battery on my copy of Pokemon Blue. I picked this up at a secondhand store, and I have opened it before, and it does seem like it's the original battery, as far as I can tell. Um, it does still save, but on the chance that it is a 20-year-old battery, I've got some replacements here, and we'll check the voltages just to see what's going on with it. Maybe it's fine, but I kind of doubt it. This, if you see this on Amazon, mine's cut in half, so it'll fit in my little storage drawers. But I'm just going to grab one of these out of here. What this is it's a tabbed CR 2025, and you'll also need one of these. If you search for Gamebit driver, this should pop up. Usually I find them in 2-packs. I'm guessing those indicate the millimeter. There's a 4.5 and a 3.8. 4.5 I believe is for consoles. The 3.8 seems to work nicely on this little cartridge. I bought these thinking it would fit in my screwdriver. I was very wrong. But anyways, let's open this up and test that voltage. So once the screw's out, if you've never opened a Game Boy cart before, you just kind of pinch and pull down. And it'll open right up. Let's see what that voltage reads like. So that's about 3 volts, 3.1 volts even. So this battery is actually fairly charged. A fresh one should read about 3.2, I believe. Let's test this. Okay, 3.3 even on a fresh one. So the old battery is not awful, I think, but it's on its way out soon. Maybe another year on it, who knows. By the way, I don't have a save file on here that I'm interested in keeping, so I'm not actually going to perform this, but I will show you anyone who is interested in keeping their save file. If you have a GBA, you can just turn it on and turn it on, load up your game file, then desolder, solder on new, save your game again, and good to go. It should keep your save. I don't need to do that. This isn't my original copy, so I'm not interested in keeping that. This side is the positive side, and that lower side is negative. And that means this battery will go on like this, positive side up, negative down. I'm going like this, rather, yeah. I'm going to add some leaded solder to get that melting point lowered. Separate that and lift it. And then we'll just kind of do the same on the other side. I will use tweezers to grab the other side. And just a little flux. Can't help it. I wasn't gonna, because they're not too bad. See if the game still works. New game. That's about all there is to it if you're just here for changing the battery. However, I do also have this neat new metallic label I got on Etsy. I'll put links in the description. And then I have a Boxy Pixel metal replacement cartridge. And this thing I think is neat. Feels good. Probably never gonna get this label on nicely, but you know, we'll do our best. The Boxy Pixel cartridge just uses a regular Phillips screw. I'm just kind of checking to see what the gap margin should be like. Just kind of eyeballing. See how much space needs to be between the edge of the sticker and the edge of the outline here in the cart. This sticker is nice and thick. I'm gonna send it. Perfect. Nope. Good enough though. Well guys, thanks for checking this video out. If you want to see me build this Game Boy, that video is coming out pretty soon here, so gonna give a thumbs up, maybe a subscribe. It helps an awful lot. And we'll have this video out in a week or two. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna get out of here, dudes.